What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. We have boombox like always. So today what we're gonna do is do little stuff to this thing. Put the little put the little radio delete thing on. Looks much cleaner without being with no hole there. So I can put my phone there, it's a good thing. And then I'm gonna put the fast USB charger on this thing instead of having this. It's a little ugly. I've seen on YouTube and Google, no matter what you do, it's always loose in there and it just kind of like wiggles out. So need to put the USB one, faster charger, and then yeah, I already took off the centerpiece. So it's just a matter of wiring up the new one, and should be pretty quick, pretty simple. Just need to insert the wire through here, put it in here. This will be one end, and we need the opposite, which I think we need the female of this on the other end to stick it into the original cigarette lighter port. You see? Pretty easy. That'd be power, and we need one for the ground. Easy peasy.
When you're a pro like me, bro,
It's gonna look like a professional did it, low-key.
well, what do you think I am, bro?
Not professional.
This is what a professional does right here, bro.
How are you gonna shrink that? Let's see. Ooh, fancy. Let's just use my heat gun.
Jimmy O taught me well, bro.
I thought you were gonna say Tommy F, yeah, not Jimmy Oaks.
No.
That looks legit though.
Ah! Looks pretty good. I wish I had a smaller one. They're all too big. I don't think.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. No, we need a ground one.
Oh, this one would fit better.
We're gonna take this one off then.
Maybe.
So we have the male version done.
No, isn't that the female?
Female, I don't know. Basically, we need the other end, but it's going pretty smooth. I think we're gonna go to O'Reilly's or something and buy the other end. But it's not bad, pretty quick, and it looks pretty clean.
Yeah, looks OEM.
Yep. This is what we need. Back to the crib. Both of them are done. We got one on one end, the other one on the other end. Pretty clean. My thing looks pretty clean.
Mm-hmm.
Throw it in and let's see if it works. It's all wired up.
It works, man.
Yep.
Sweet.
We're gonna charge the phone in half the time now. Well, there's 2 USB ports in there, so it's actually way better.
And no need for that little
Yeah, the
cigarette
little
lighter thing.
adapter thing. Looks cleaner, I think.
Yeah, it just needs
Let's
to
throw it back. There it is. It's charging my phone. Pretty good. Like I said, much better. These will rattle out of this. No matter what you did, it'll be all loose in here. So very good upgrade. And I always end up losing these, so it's actually a better thing that all I need is my cable now. So it works. That's it for that. You guys saw the little radio delete thing, so that's clean. I'm ordering the little speaker covers, and little by little it'll get a little better. Continuing the vlog, I'm gonna try and do the floor mats. It's actually gonna be from, my plan of attack is to unroll the material that I bought and see how much I have, just in case I mess up. But my thing is I'm gonna measure from there to here, which is, this is where it stops. This is gonna be left exposed. That's just how it goes, both pieces. So I'm gonna just measure from there to here, and then I'm gonna start trimming the sides little by little and see. Probably measure from here to here first, and then measure from this corner to that corner. It's a little, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's not completely straight like that. It's a little bit like angled to the side. So yeah, let's see what we could do. Hopefully it comes out okay. So it looks like I have plenty of material. This is like the non-slippery stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure and see and start cutting. So there we have it. Cut out the piece. Let's see how it fits. So here we have it. It's pretty snug. So I measured 22 inches from that over here. So that's snug. Now I'm gonna have to remove this piece and start trimming the sides. But it's not bad. There it is. One side is done. Fits pretty snug, so it'll look way better. I'm gonna try and knock out the other side real quick, because if not, then I gotta put that piece back on and I don't want to take it off. So I'm gonna just try and do it and get it out the way. Or I'm gonna try and flip this, spin it the other way like a mirror, and hopefully that works. It'll be much easier for me. So I got the other one measured out. A little hard to see, but you can see the line. So this will be the straight part that goes against the left side of your foot, and then like I said, it goes at an angle, so it's not really straight. So I measured how long it was on the inside and then outside, so it should be perfect, or at least close enough. We got Turbo the helper over here, and Morgan. So this side came out way better. It was actually way faster than the last one, and way better. Here it is. Both sides are done. Pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. At least from this side, it'll look way better. I might put I need to tighten up this seat good. I might put later on like a carpet material over it, but I don't know. I don't mind this. The only reason I'm thinking that is because I noticed the footprints stay on this pretty fast, so maybe later. But I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back and then show you guys. So there it is. That's done. I really like it. Like I said, I just went this route because I could have bought the original ones, which were only $100, pretty cheap. But people kept saying on the forums that if you buy those, they kind of slip underneath the pedals and stuff, and they get all like they just get all in there ugly and stuff. So the best thing was for you to just make your own out of material like this, non-slippery material, which it was actually cheaper. I mean, I spent like $30-40, but overall result, I mean, it's not slippery or anything, so it'll work. But yeah, and we got this earlier done. Still working. It's coming along. So let me go ahead and give you guys another angle, but let me know what you guys think. Nice. See you guys in the next one.